I welcome all of you to this course known as Fundamentals of Combustion Part 2. And I wish and also feel that most of you might have taken my earlier course Fundamental of Combustion Part 1, in which we had covered basically the requisite materials which is fundamental to these combustions are already covered. I would urge upon all of you to relook at those courses and get acquainted with the things which are covered in that course. Today, the combustion is very important, what it was not in earlier days, because of fact that we are facing the problems of the environment, pollution, and also the energy crisis. And we want to develop, for which energy is very essential. At the same time, we do also pollute our environment, which is a great threat to the life on this beautiful planet. As a developing country, we Indians will have to learn the fundamental of combustion and also that we can design better combustion systems for our country, and so that the pace of the progress can be maintained without really polluting the environment. And some of the examples which you might be aware about the combustions are basically even the burning of wick flame, lantern for lighting purposes, and to the automobiles, spacecrafts, power plants, and ships, and rocket engines. We do use combustion, even process industries. So hardly there will be any engineering aspect which are not really touched by the combustion. So therefore, it is a very important subject which we need to learn, and as I mentioned earlier, that you need to relook at the fundamental aspects which are prerequisite for understanding the combustion, which will be covered in this course. And in this we will start with looking at basically about the flame, which is the genesis of the combustion, and we will be looking at premix flame. In that we will be looking at laminar and turbulent premix flame. Of course, I will be more giving emphasis on the premix flame, but I will be touching upon some aspects of turbulent flame. And we will be also looking at diffusion flame little extensively. In the case of diffusion flame, we will be looking at jet diffusion flame, droplet combustion, and spray combustion, and we will be looking at various aspects of it in little detail. And however, we will be touching upon the spray combustion, which is quite intricate and also quite complex in nature. We will be also looking at certain aspects of solid fuel combustions, and subsequently we will be moving to the environmental effects of the combustion, how to control the emissions from the combustion systems, which we will be touching upon. So this comprises your course content, and I wish and hope that you will enjoy this course and contribute positively for designing the better combustion systems in future, so that our country can progress, and also will be on the path of development and progress in new way, without really spoiling our beautiful environment what we have inherited from our ancestors. And I would like to have a more interaction in this course, so that we can learn together while taking this course. Thank you very much.